Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Networking with Neaz Arefin. Today I'm going to show you if you're having any problem to set up Windows in your computer due to the error message. Windows cannot be installed on drive 0, partition 1, 2 or 3. Let me show you how can you fix that quickly with just 4 basic commands. So if you're having problem like this, you see that it says Windows cannot be installed on drive 0, partition 2. Show details. It sounds like it's having an allocation problem. You can fix it with just 4 simple commands. The first thing that we are going to do, pressing Shift and F10 together, and it will bring the Windows command prompt. 4 basic commands that I have to do. The first command that I'm going to type is disk part. Okay, the second command will be list. I'm going to say select disk 0. It says disk 0 is now in the selected disk. Now I'm going to say clean. The moment you are going to say clean and hit, it is going to wipe out everything on your drive. It is just going to break the partition, so there will be no partition. It is just going to be one drive. You don't have any other option. You have to do this to set up your Windows. I'm gonna hit enter. Disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now I'm going to say exit. Now it's closed. It is still saying Windows cannot be installed on drive 0. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close out this window. Yes. So I'm going to reinstall. Next, I'm going to select the custom installation. It's all in one drive. So I'm going to select this drive. The installation had just started. Thank you.